Increase in population growth, coupled with the changing habits of consumers, have led to a surge in use of electronic gadgets in Ghana. The high demand of these gadgets, which are usually second-hand, contributes to about 15% of electronic waste imported into the country. Lack of e-waste recycling plants in the country has left scrap dealers with no option than to pollute the environment in a bid to produce useful materials from the waste. The burning of these cables release dangerous gases into the atmosphere, leading to environmental and various health problems. It is against this background that the government of Germany is collaborating with the Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation to embark on a sustainable way to address the situation. The Minister for Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, Professor Kwabena Frimpong-Boateng, explained that the €25 million project is not meant to hinder scrap dealers from earning a living, but rather to ensure proper recycling of their materials.
They are not saying that we are going to stop young men from earning money from e-waste. We are going to buy these e-waste from them at a price similar to what they would have gotten if they had processed it and sold the components, and then store the scraps in a warehouse, and they'll be auctioned at the appropriate time to people who will recycle them properly, not the way that is done in Abuja.
The Deputy Chief Executive of the National Youth Authority, Mr. Bright Champon, expressed concern about the availability of alternative livelihoods to the youth who may be out of business as a result of the project.
You need to create that environment for them. But if you want to take all of them off in that regard, and you want to create a recycle which will, in a way, create a very little opportunities for the youth. Meanwhile, if you go to Agbogbosi, there are thousands of people who are engaged into that. If you don't solve it well, by the time you realize you have created another problem for yourself for us to come and solve.
Meanwhile, the program is expected to train e-waste collectors and recycling companies in environmentally sound collection and dismantling practices. It will also improve their knowledge on negative health impacts on e-waste disposal through occupational health and safety measures.